National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Piatt County, central DeWitt County, southeastern McLean County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:30 p.m.,
This is going to be on WIZZ here.
located near Wapella, or 8 miles northeast of Clinton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Leroy, Farmer City, Colfax, Downs, Mansfield, Saybrook, Towanda, DeLand, Weldon, Cookstow, Pleasant Hill, Bellflower, Arrowsmith, Cropsey, Ellsworth, DeWitt, Anchor, Weldon Springs State Park, and Clinton Lake Dam. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 between mile markers 168 and 176. Interstate 72 between mile markers 172 and 173. Interstate 74 between mile markers 139 and 168. Interstate 74 between mile markers 139 and 168.
That we